What's up, guys? So, surprise, surprise, I'm at Bobby's again, and I got him a present. So, let me get him. Bobby!
Is it $10?
It's way better than $10. Close your eyes. Take my hand. Okay.
Does it work?
No, but this is what I was thinking here.
Is this a...
It's a mobility handicap scooter somebody had on. Why can't that take a chainsaw? Alright, so after a miserable failure, nothing worked out, and I don't feel like investing any more time in it, so fuck it. Oh my god! Holy shit! So it's the next day. I've arrived at Bobby's, and this is what I come here to see. He's hooking up a pretty minty wheelie bar here. Whoa. So I got pretty much everything unhooked. I didn't undo the brake or the peg, or really anything on this. I'm just hoping it comes off pretty easy. You just love throwing shit, bud.
Do you want the cutting torch? Then they won't be in the way.
How about the 9-pound maul?
The case won't be in the way either.
Yep, I'm gonna have to drop this bike down. Oh no. Starting to booger.
Hey, does Tyler watch your video?
Yes, he does.
Hey, honestly, Tyler, I'm calling you out. I don't even think you listen to Slipknot. Are you or someone you know affected by a really stripped screw because somebody tried to use an impact gun to take out a Phillips head screw?
It started with regular.
Find yourself a nice sharp chisel and a whacking stick, and you make yourself an edge, and you just give it a little tap. And eventually, you're going to have to hold the clutch. Eventually, it'll come out. You just got to be real gentle with it. It's not about how hard can I hit the hammer.
Hey.
Oh my god.
There you go. And your patience will be rewarded by a removed screw. There you go, buddy.
Set that right on that bench there.
That's not going back in.
Where the fuck did that go?
Gone. I have more at work.
Oh, okay. It's not like I'm riding this tonight, anyways.
Okay. Here is our transmission. We'll tip it this way and just start shifting up and down, Bob. We'll tip it this way, actually.
I can't. It's sitting on the stand. That's trying to go into second. That's trying to go into first. That's first. That's.
Oh, it's coming undone.
Where is it coming undone?
Alright, phone light.
Okay, so the problem with Corey's clutch, let me take this off here for you so you can see it, wasn't actually in the clutch, it was in the shift linkage. So if I get this nut off here, I can show you exactly how this transmission works. Alright, so now that we got this off, and we lost one of those pins that we really need to find, this is how your transmission shifts in a pit bike. Corey, you want to go ahead and actuate the shifter a little bit?
Yeah.
So what happens is this doohickey here impinges on these pins here, and it pushes the bike over. So what you're feeling when you shift isn't those pins, it's actually this pawl and this spring impinging on it. So Corey, you want to give it a shift?
Yep.
And see, now you're in between gears, but just like when you shift when the bike's off and the clutch is not engaged, you can just rock it back and forth while you're trying to shift, and it pops right back into gear. Now try to go to neutral. That's first. There's neutral.
There's neutral.
Try second. There's second. Now try third. There's third.
Fourth?
Try fourth. Not that this bike has enough power, but you can see, if you look at the rear wheel as I'm turning this, the differences in speed. So there's fourth, now try third. And see, it's much slower. Now try second. Click it again. There we go. And see how many times I have to spin the gear to get the wheel? That's how your transmission works.
Let's get it in neutral.
And there we go. And now we're back in neutral, so we can put it back together.
Awesome.
Alright, so when we were taking this apart, somebody took a snap ring off and it went flying. And
But I redeemed myself.
we found it about 4 feet away from the bike.
That is not 4 feet. It's like three
I'm
and
gonna
a half.
I'm gonna go get a tape measure and we're gonna measure it.
Alright, don't touch it.
Fuck you. Just put it on.
What happened?
I lost the clip again.
And what happened as a result? We let down the jack, we moved the bike, we tore apart part of the floor to find it, and where was it?
On the
Skid plate.
Yeah. Try not
Well, that's kind of what happens when you give people the wrong tools.
Well, I mean, I'm not the one that lost it the first time by trying to use a screwdriver to take it off, am
That's
I?
not how it got lost. It got lost because of the wrong type of snap ring.
You took it off with
It's
a
your
screw.
fault both.
It's
I
your-
just did the action.
It's your.
You supplied the gun. I killed everyone in the school.
That's just fucking dumb.
Alright, so we got a pretty big storm coming our way. I believe it's the remnants of what happened over in Carolina. But we're going to try to get some riding in. There's daylight right now. So we'll actually try to get like footage of us back on that new trail. It's a little bit windy to hit any jumps today, so we'll keep it mellow.
we've literally rode like maybe 10 laps on the camera back here and maybe 15 total. And what are we doing?
We're gonna build more stuff.
We're gonna build more stuff because he's already sick of it. And
Not sick of it, I just want more.
and we found a creek back there that we can draw water from to actually water the nice track. So we're gonna try to get a path back there to get the tractor back there too.
So we started building a new trail, but it started pouring rain really bad.
Okay.
So we came back, I fixed a weed whacker, did something to Corey's bike, can't remember, doesn't matter. And Bobby did nothing.
Pretty much it. But
You looked up a turbo for a motor.
true, and I provided the building.
He provided the building, and what a building it is.
I got to ride my pit bike around the track finally.
Yep, Corey rode his pit bike, it shifts nice, it runs really bad, but it's always going to.
Yeah.
I had fun with it. I don't care.
We didn't film any of it because it was raining.
So, yeah, we didn't get as much filming as we wanted to get, but whatever. So give the video a like and subscribe. Bye, penises.